When your acrylic arrives, it'll look something like this. It has a tough protective film on both sides to prevent damage during transit. In some cases, it might not be obvious that the protective film is there, but if you run a fingernail across the surface and it scratches it, you know that that's definitely the protective film. The easiest way to remove the protective film is either picking up one corner with your fingernail, or by putting a piece of tape down over it and peeling that up. However you get the corners loose, just peel the film carefully to remove it, being careful not to touch the acrylic with your fingers directly so that you don't get fingerprints on it. Once you've removed the protective film from one side, don't forget to flip your acrylic over and remove the protective film from the other side. Remember to work in a clean area so that you don't get any lint or dust on the acrylic. Once you remove the protective film from both sides, you'll see that your acrylic is very clear and uniform and high quality. If you do get some dust or lint on your acrylic, just wipe it off with a soft microfiber cloth. Last but not least, if you ordered our clear acrylic, it doesn't matter which way it goes back into the frame. But if you ordered our non-glare acrylic, it's very important that the shiny side go facing your artwork so that the non-glare side is facing you.